Hello, how you doing? Look, we're going to make this sweet potato salad with fresh mint. It's really easy, absolutely delicious. Let's get our sweet potatoes together. Just going to cook them till they're nice and tender. Going to use about 3 cups. So along with that, I've got half a cup each of the following. I've got green onions, fresh mint, celery, cucumber, and then a tablespoon of vinegar and 2 tablespoons of a quality olive oil. In a mixing bowl, salt and pepper. We're just going to add it all together, give it a mix. It's done. It's so easy. In goes the cucumber, the celery, the green onions, the fresh mint. No need to chop it, just the whole leaves in there. Little bit of vinegar. You could use lemon juice if you want, and then a nice quality olive oil, little mix. It's done. It's absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.